Okay, let's do number 15. I'm always a sucker for these 6/8 things. And what I'm going to do, I'll play my C chord shape. When it comes time for my F, instead of doing this, I'm going to keep the same note in the bass. Now we're talking about some theory stuff and some inversions, but if all I have to do to get to my F so I'm keeping a common tone. This note is the root of the chord on the C. It is the fifth of the chord for the F. This is a great way to get cool guitar parts too, is to find a common tone that works between both chords, works in both chords. So if you don't really know music theory and this doesn't make any sense, that's okay. Just try this move where if your F is here, a regular F, you're going to keep your third finger on the fifth string and just put your pinky down. So it would be like playing an F chord with pinky 2-1 barred, which is really weird and hard. But for some reason, when you get your 3 in there on the fifth string, it's a lot easier. So this is that 6/8 pattern, and I'm just going to arpeggiate it, and you can strum on top of it, or you can just hit once and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to arpeggiate it so you can hear what this sounds like when I do that common tone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one of my favorite things about using a capo is you get that really nice, ringy, chimey. If you were playing that with like a straight bar chord, it would just have a different sound to it because it would be your first finger barring. These just have these really nice. It's almost like a sustain pedal on a piano. And it's pretty simple, but it's so effective on acoustic guitar or layered with another guitar part or with some tremolo. Okay,